Welcome to Deepthi Analytics. In this video, we are going to understand some of the most important Power BI concepts every data analyst must know. Power Query and applied steps, advanced editor, and row level security, including static and dynamic RLS. If you are preparing for interviews or building real world dashboards, this video will give you both conceptual clarity and practical understanding. Let's get started. What is role level security? Role level security restricts data visibility based on user roles. It ensures that users see only the data they are authorized to see. For example, sales users see sales data, HR sees employees data, admin sees all data. RLS is essential when sharing reports across departments. Why data security in Power BI is important. Power BI reports often contain sensitive information like financial data, employee records, customer details. Strong data security ensures confidentiality, irregularity complaints, prevention of data breaches. RLS plays a key role in maintaining control data access. Row-level security or RLS is a feature in Power BI that restricts data visibility based on user roles. It ensures that users see only the data they are authorized to access. There are two main types of RLS in Power BI: static RLS and dynamic RLS. Static RLS uses mainly defined filters for each role. In this approach, you will create roles in Power BI desktop and apply fixed filters conditions. For example, you might create a role called North Region and apply a filter like region equals north. Similarly, you may create separate roles for south, west, or admin. Each role has predefined access rules. Static RLS is simple to implement and works well for small teams, limited number of roles, stable organizational structure. However, it has some limitations. If number of users increases, you must manually update roles. This makes maintenance harder as the organization grows. Dynamic RLS automatically filters data based on the logged in users. Instead of creating separate filters for each role, you create a user mapping table and use stats functions like user principal name or username. When a user logs in, Power BI checks their email ID and filters the data accordingly. For example, if sales@company.com logs in, they see only sales data. If HR@company.com logins, they see only HR related data. The filter happens automatically. Dynamic RLS is scalable, easy to maintain, ideal for larger companies, less prone to manual errors. Which is preferred? Dynamic RLS is generally preferred in real world projects because it handles multiple users efficiently. It reduces manual efforts. It adapts automatically when new users are added. Static RLS may still be useful for small projects, but for enterprise level implementations, dynamic RLS is best choice. What is static row level security and how to implement it? Static RLS uses manually defined filters for each role. You create roles in Power BI desktop and define filter like region is equals to north. Each rule has predefined access. This works well for small teams but become difficult to maintain as users grow because every time a new rule is added, filters must be manually updated. What is dynamic RLS? Dynamic RLS automatically filters data based on the logged in users. It uses a user mapping table and DATS functions like user principal name. Instead of creating multiple manual filters, one dynamic rule handles all data. Why is dynamic RLS preferred? Scalable, easy to maintain, less manual effort, automatically adapts to new users. For larger organizations, dynamic RLS is the best approach. Proof of concept. RLS is only for viewers. An important concept many people misunderstand. RLS applies only at view time. Developers and dataset owners can see all data while building reports. RLS restrictions applies only when reports are viewed in Power BI service by end users. So RLS protects data for viewers, not developers. Exploring Power Query Editor. Power Query Editor is the working environment where all data transformations happen. When you click Transform Data in Power BI desktop, the Power Query Editor opens. Inside the editor, you will see ribbon where transformation tools are available. Query span, listing all tables, applied steps, showing every transformation performed. Formula bar, displaying M code, advanced editor, where full M code can be written. This editor ensures structured and trackable data transformation. What are applied steps? Applied steps is a feature that records every action you perform on data. For example, if you import a file, remove blank rows, change data type, and filter region, each action is recorded as a step. Power Query executes this step sequentially from top to bottom. Why is this important? Because it allows you to track transformation history, edit or delete steps, debug errors, maintain transparency. Applied steps make your data preparation controlled and repeatable. Advanced Editor in Power Query. The Advanced Editor allows you to write and edit in language code directly. While most users use the graphical interfaces, advanced users can manually write M-code to create complex transformations, build reusable functions, optimize performance, debug logic. Understanding the advanced editor helps you move from beginner to advanced Power BI developer.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Deepthi Analytics for more data analyst tips.